Oh yeah, I just remembered we have a task, right?
What kinds of text?
Practical exam assignment to make tablecloths.
Yes, you are right. Then let's buy the cloth now. Yes, let's go!
Excuse me, do you sell clothes here?
Oh, of course, available. How many meters do you want to buy?
I want to buy 2 meters. Okay, I will get it.
How many meters is this?
The price is 17,500 for 1 meter.
Okay, I booked 2 meters. Here's the money. Thank you.
Yes, you're welcome.
Tools and materials.
1. Fork. 2.
Clothes.
3 lines.
4, 3,
5. Cloth mixer.
6, sewing machine. 7, needle. 8, scissor, and 9, pin.
Steps.
First, prepare the cloth. Second, place a thin sponge under the cloth and then sew around the cloth until it is perfectly attached.
After that, make a pattern with ruler and pencil.
Sew the pattern that has been measured in a square shape. Next, make wrinkles on the lace fabric by piling the fabric that has been sewn with thread.
Then, sew the lace around the cloth that has been given a thin sponge.
Finally, the tablecloth ready to use.
Don't forget
To like,